Hey guys, it's MC Fix-It here. We got the MVP Lizottl Box. I'm super pumped for this. This comes with an OG Lizottl plus a bunch of other MVP discs. So we'll go ahead, put it out of sight so you can't see what it is. The first disc is a Lizottl. This has got a nice orange rim, 176 weighted. That is really sweet. So that's disc number one. The second one, I believe this is the Trance. And it is. And I do believe this is the variant stamp on that. The thing's really cool. It's kind of got the watermelon colors to it. I really like that. The Trance is a fun disc to throw as well if you've not thrown one yet. The next disc is the Pitch, I believe. No, this is the Eclipse Pitch. 157. These things are actually really great to throw and also shine really, really bright. The next disc is the Nomad R2 Special Edition, 174. I like the feel of that one. And one last disc, I believe this is the OTB Crave, and 175. I like the colors on that. It's got kind of a purple-ish gray rim and just looks really sweet. So got the Crave, the Nomad, the Eclipse Pitch, the OTB Variant Trance, and a Lizottl. This is a pretty sweet 5-disc collection here. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments down below. We're going to flip off the lights and see what glows and doesn't glow, because MVP is known for their glow. So I'm going to hit it with a glow light. It does look like this has some reflective properties, but does not actually glow. But that's pretty sweet that it does that. You have a white glow, and this is a green glow. And then this just has some of that reflective property in it, which is pretty awesome. I'm really happy with this box. If you guys have any comments, go ahead and put them in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.